out to Arizona Tea for providing the coolant jug. There we go, radiator, fans, the AC condenser.
Ooh.
Yeah, keep going.
Oh shit.
You okay? Alright, we just got the Y pipe out. Now we can get to the drive line and disconnect the drive shaft. Good job, babe. Alright, we got this part of the drive shaft unbolted. Luckily, it was in a position where I could reach all 4 bolts. Super lucky. Just 4 bolts and nuts. And I'm gonna take this off, drop it down, and then try to pull it out from the back of the transmission. And I already have the Y pipe off, and I drained all the oil. So the only thing holding this up is this, and obviously the engine. And like I need to disconnect all those little sensors up there by the engine. I need to do the 2 motor mounts and unhook the harness. And we'll see what else is next. Got this piece of the drive shaft dropped down, as you can see, and I can just pull this out with one hand. I already pulled it out a little bit, so I'm gonna take this drain pan and get ready for the oil that's gonna come out, because I did drain it, but you know, there could possibly be an additional amount. So here we go. Yeah, I think the camera got it. Hold on. Okay. What the hell? Stuck. Oh shit! Oh, I got it. Did you get that on camera?
Yeah.
Okay, good. All right. Keep recording. Okay. Here is the drive shaft. Alright, what are we doing, babe?
So we're taking this off so that we can drop it. I don't know what we're doing.
Alright, it is the next day, and I just pulled out the harness from the car. It is like this big old thing right here. These go to the ECU. This one and this one go to like some sort of computer down there. I don't know what. This looks like a relay that goes on ECU. And all of this is what you're supposed to pull out of this teeny little hole here, and just with a lot of force you can pull it out. And I take out the battery, so I can undo it from here and here, and I'm gonna pull out the swap with the harness. And also there's these 3 plugs down here attached to these 3 underneath the glove box, and ECU goes here. You have to remove this big plug here and this medium-sized plug here. And I did end up breaking this, but basically how this works is like a lever that holds the plug in place, and I did break it, but it's okay. Alright, just got back to the roads, got a chain jack underneath the transmission, and I just took out all 4 of the bolts for the transmission brace, so should be basically free falling the transmission. Alright, I have my chains hooked up to the intake manifold and timing cover. Hopefully that holds. I saw a YouTube video of someone else doing that, so on Speed Academy. So they seem to have done it alright. And let's see, I do have the bottom here disconnected. It does appear to be stuck on something though. You can see it's lifted up a little bit, but I have to be careful with the power steering lines. Alright, I have the motor pretty much completely out with the tranny. A lot of setbacks. I had to take a lot of shortcuts that I didn't want to take. My biggest mistake was it getting stuck on the test pipes because I thought I could save time by leaving the test pipes on with the header, but little did I know that was the whole reason why it was getting stuck, and it kept going back. It wouldn't come out just because the test pipes were hitting the lower, I think it's called a spider frame or something like that. That frame right there, and it just wasn't coming out. So I took them out, took out that brace. I couldn't get this hose off, so I cut it. I know I did not want to do that, but I just want to get this thing out. And I took some shortcuts, but it's out, so I'm happy. It took longer than I thought, but this would have been a lot easier if it was if I had some help. My girlfriend, she's working right now, and so I was doing this all by myself. So the transmission and motor is out of the car, and I'm just putting it right here on that tire. This did not cost me that much to do because I got the cherry picker for free for rent. I'm renting for free, and it's a weird cherry picker. It's not like a Harbor Freight. This one's like super big, and you can tell super old design, and it's just really weird. Anyways, it works, I guess, pretty good. The chains I bought for like $4 or $5 at the hardware store. All I did was just buy one chain and with 2 of these links, and then just put it from timing cover hole, and then the intake plenum, and it cost me about $5. I used my girlfriend's dad's truck to transport the cherry picker, and it also costed me a unimaginable amount of pain because this was a really tiring process. But it's finally out, and I will do it all over again with the new engine and transmission. So stay tuned for that.
这台是他什么时候买的？不知道。